Buying, selling, or renovating a home shouldn't feel like rocket science, but let's be real, sometimes it does. That's where I come in. I'm Justyn Nixon, a licensed real estate broker, licensed mortgage loan originator, licensed builder, and lifelong Michigander. Your go-to guide for all things Southeast Michigan real estate. With almost 3 decades of experience in the housing industry, I've seen real estate from every angle. On this channel, I break down the entire journey, from getting pre-approved to closing day, to those homeowner tips nobody ever tells you about. You'll get practical advice on mortgages, market trends here in Southeast Michigan, and smart renovation moves that actually pay off. My background means you're not just getting opinions, you're getting guidance built on real world experience. So my goal is to save you time, money, and stress while keeping things clear, approachable, and just a little bit entertaining. Because real estate doesn't have to be boring, and you deserve to feel confident every step of the way. So if you want to make smarter moves in real estate, hit that subscribe button and stick around. I drop new videos every week packed with value and straight answers. So grab your beverage of choice. Mine is black coffee with a shot of espresso, and let's get into it.